Wake up, Charlie. Wake up, Charlie. It's Jonathan. It's Jonathan Katz. Listen, I need you to do something. Find more subscribers for Explosion Bus. Do whatever you have to do. Nothing is off limits. I'm counting on you. Save Explosion Bus. Save Explosion Bus.
Holy, it wasn't a dream. So, Jonathan Katz and Tom Snyder have this new show called Explosion Bus. And Jonathan Katz, I heard him in a dream or something, and he was telling me about Explosion Bus, and I didn't know what it was, but then this morning when I Googled it, it was there. Jonathan came to me in a dream.
Okay, are we in super crazy fan mode, Ken? Is that what's going on here?
Probably.
Probably. Okay, just laying down some ground rules, okay, before we turn psycho and the police get involved like last time, okay? Okay, number one, we are not quitting our jobs and traveling around the countryside following Jonathan Katz, okay? We cannot do that again. Number two, no crazy murals all over the walls.
I already painted the bread maker.
Bread maker good, walls bad. They took a lot of paint to cover the last one. It scared the children. And speaking of the children, please, this time remember the children, okay?
Oh, I remembered the children.
Save Explosion Bus! No.
And the episode with the high pants. Because the high pants line just kills me. I don't even know what it means, but it's funny. High pants. Anyways, I was thinking that maybe since Jonathan Katz called me to find more subscribers, that you could get on to YouTube and subscribe.
Nope.
But honey,
Nope.
you are my
No.
husband. You are supposed to love and
No.
support me, do
No.
better or
No.
worse.
Nope.
Please,
No.
please,
No.
please. I will do awesome things to you.
Nope.
Please.
No.
Fine, but you're missing out.
No.
I never said that.
Yeah, you did. You just said that.
Who asked you high pants?
You did say it.
Who asked you, high pants? Oh, darn it, she's right. Okay, honey, you can do awesome things to me now!
It's only been 15 minutes. She's not a missing person.
Statistically, if you don't find the person within the first 15 minutes,
Permission to wander aloud?
Go ahead, Leo.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Nope. No. No.